everyone. Thanks for watching the Progressive Review, where we have a no-filtered, no-corrupted news for you. So today I want to talk about an issue that is the number one issue for voters in this upcoming 2018 election, and you probably know it, that is healthcare. So lately I've been reading a book called Viking Economics, and it goes into detail about the Scandinavian economic system. And what I'm going to do here is show you some charts and some articles comparing that Scandinavian European style healthcare system versus the free market oriented capitalist all the way profit over people American version healthcare system. So first off, I want to go to the OECD healthcare expenditures per country. And if you take a look at this chart here, we can see there is one outlier in this graph. You can see it way over there on the right. That is the United States, spending almost double the next highest country. So the U.S. comes in at $10,209 per capita, and what that means is per person per year, the U.S. spends about $10,209 on healthcare. Now let's compare that to some of the other countries that we know have good healthcare and are some of the richer countries in the world that we would compare ourselves to. So let's see here. We have Norway. They are another rich country. They come in at $6,351. Let's see again here. Germany. It's a big country, so they come in at $5,728. And as we get lower here, we have France over here, $4,902. So, almost half of what we're spending. So you would think, since we're spending so much, we must have better outcomes. Our system must be far and away better. At least a little bit. It should be double as good as those other systems, since we're spending double the money. You would think that. Maybe that's the case. You know, people say the American system's not that great, so maybe we're just not living up to the amount of money we spend. Maybe we're still better than everybody else, but maybe not as much better as we should be because we're spending so much. And we know all of our people, when you go to the doctor's office, you have to spend a lot. You have a lot. Your insurance company asks you to pay for your care. And co-pays, co-insurance, premiums, and everything. So maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it just doesn't live up to the money. So next, I want to look at the Commonwealth Fund. Did a review of different countries' healthcare systems. So they're taking into account the entire system overall. And they have 11 different countries here that they have compared against each other. So we have Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and the US. So let's see here. Number one. We've got to be number one since we spend so much, more than the other countries. Nope, it's the UK coming in at number one. Now let's go and look at how much they spend here per person. And we are looking at, for the United Kingdom, $4,264. Versus the United States, $10,209. They're spending half of what we spend, less than half of what we spend, and they're better than us. Right there should be cause for us to say, whoa, what are we doing? Why are we continuing our current system? Why not just copy theirs? They're working, they spend, it's It's crazy how much less they're spending and getting better outcomes, better coverage of more people. In every facet, they're a better system than ours is. So, let's see here. Maybe we're number 2. What is the others? What's number 2 here? Australia, number 2. Maybe we're 3. Number 3, Netherlands. 4, New Zealand. Alright, and tied for 4 comes in Norway. And number 6, Sweden and Switzerland at a tie. So that brings us to number 8, Germany. Number 9, our northern border country, Canada. Number 10, France. And all the way in last place, the United States. And if they had compared further countries, the United States would continue to fall lower and lower. Now, this World Health Organization did a comparison of more countries than just these 11, and that was way back in the year 2000. But what they found is the United States came in at number 37. That's number 37, and spending twice as much as the next country. What are we doing? Why do we still have this system? This is unbelievable that we continue with this. This shows the insane level of corruption that we have at the federal level in our government. And this issue needs to be front and center in the progressive wave that needs to happen. This should be the number 1 issue.